Good morning, student. Today we will discuss on tourism. What is the meaning of the tourism? The movement of people away from their normal place of residence and work for a period not less than 24 hours and not more than 1 year. It means a person who visit a particular place, he spend minimum 24 hours for a destination and not more than 1 year. Then we call a tourist. Definition. According to the Society of Britain, tourism is the temporary short-term movement of people to destination outside the place where they normally live and work. Now we discuss on the types of tourism. International tourism, domestic tourism. What is international tourism? Like a person start going to a Cuba or any other country. India is the origin country and the Cuba is the destination country. Then we call the international tourism. Then we call outbound tourism. Domestic tourism. Domestic tourism means a person who live in India and his movement from India to India in inbound boundaries, like origin point is Madras and his destination is the Srinagar. Then we call it the domestic tourism. Now form of tourism. Now we have number of points, then we discuss cultural tourism, education tourism, medical tourism, business tourism, leisure tourism, adventure tourism, religious tourism. Cultural tourism. Cultural tourism means a person who is moving from their place for any culture activity, like any fair and festival. Like we call the a person who live in Mumbai, then he shift from Himachal only for Kullu Dussehra. Then we call the cultural tourism. It is a form of cultural tourism. Next, education tourism. Education tourism means any person who move from a place, from origin place to the purpose of the education. Medical tourism. A person who adventure tourism means a person who move from the origin for any kind of adventures like skydiving. Okay. Next is religious tourism. A person who move from one place to another destination for a religious purpose, like Kumbh Mela, like Kurukshetra Mela. And next is incentive tourism. Incentive tourism is the another form of the tourism. In this we include the business activity for any company who give the incentives to their employees for promotion basis, that we call the incentive tourism. Eco and wildlife tourism. In this category we cover these tourism in which the people move for any wildlife tourism activities, eco activities. Sport and recreational tourism. Sport, for a person who live from one place to destination for any kind of sports or recreations activity. Rural tourism, in this a person who move from origin to destination for a rural experience, like a visit of a particular village. Heritage tourism. In this kind of tourism, a person move from the origin to destination for any kind of heritage experience. Desert tourism. In this kind we include the desert tourism activities. Special interest tourism means for any kind of interest, tourists move from origin to destination. Now we call the next point the tourist support services. These services which also complete the full tourism activity. These activity services are transportation, accommodation, travel agency and tour operator. Types of transportation. Transportation is also most important part of the tourism industry, and accommodation also. These are the backbone of the tourism activity. If a person who move from any kind of tourism, firstly he called to the transportation and then he accommodation. From origin to destination, these both kinds of services most help to a tourist. travel agency and tour operator is also an essential activities which